Welcome back to a new happy video from Miss Yummy World. One of my favorite days of the year is the 12th of November. It's my firstborn's birthday, and this year my daughter is turning 7 years old, and to celebrate, a special homemade cake is one of our traditions. This year she's asked me to make blueberry cake. I have already posted the video of the soft sponge cake layers that I have used in this cake, and in today's video I'm going to share how I made my daughter's favorite blueberry cake. To fill the layers of the cake we need blueberry sauce, so let us start by taking 200 grams of fresh or frozen blueberries in a pan. I have used frozen blueberries. To this add roughly 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar or fine granulated sugar. Keep the pan on low to medium heat and combine the 3 ingredients really well. When the pan is hot, add 1/4 cup of water at room temperature and cook the blueberries until the sauce thickens. Ensure the flame is always between low and medium and keep stirring to get a smooth consistency. When the sauce reaches this thickness and color, turn off the flame and remove the pan off the heat. Mash the blueberries with the spatula like this. This is the perfect consistency, and look at that beautiful purple color. Keep this aside to cool fully to room temperature. While this blueberry sauce is cooling off, I'm going to slice my small soft vanilla sponge cake into 4 layers. If you would like to see how I made this soft cake, I will leave the link in the description box and in the iCard on the top right of this screen right now. This is a soft cream cake, so we need to fill the cake with cream or butter, and I have used 600 ml of chilled thick double cream or whipping cream. Add powdered sugar to your taste, but I would like to add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar for every 100 ml of thick double cream. So I have used 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Whisk until thick like this. And I always like to use a piping bag to decorate the cake because it's easier and much more cleaner. By the way, if you're new to my channel, hello there, I'm glad to have you here. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon as I post delicious, quick and easy recipe videos or family holiday vlogs every week. If you have seen this channel before, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you again. I especially want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed and supported me in every way possible. You guys are so amazing and special to me, so thank you to you. Now back to our cake. On the cake board, apply a little cream to stick the cake to the board and place the first layer of the cake wet with sugar syrup like this. You can fill the cake however you like, but this is how I prefer to fill the cake. I apply a border of cream around the cake like this and a thick layer of blueberry sauce inside it. On top of the blueberry sauce, once it's spread nicely, I add another thick layer of cream on top and spread it just like this. This is so perfect. Repeat this for all of the other cake layers. As you have seen, I always prefer to crumb coat the cake and then keep it in the fridge to set for 10 to 15 minutes. Meantime, let's make the blueberry ganache to drizzle on the top of the cake. I have taken 100 grams of blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen, but here I have used fresh blueberries. Blend it in your blender like this initially, then add 1/4 cup of water and blend really well. The ganache has to be as smooth as possible, so pass this puree through a sieve to remove any seeds and skin. Now that is a very smooth blueberry puree. To this add 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Cook the blueberry puree in a pan on low flame and cook it until the sauce thickens and coats the back of the spoon like this. To be easier, the consistency should be similar to that of tomato ketchup. See, like this. Turn off the heat and pass the sauce again through a sieve to get that smooth, glossy blueberry ganache. Let this cool fully to room temperature, so keep this aside. Now back to our cake. This is now well crumb coated. Put another thick layer of cream all over the cake to give that smooth finish. Smooth all the edges and decorate the cake however you like. My daughter likes a silver color, so I have used edible silver wafer pearls to put around and over the cake. Once that's done, generously drizzle the glossy blueberry ganache over the cake, just exactly as you like. My daughter was a very happy bunny seeing the cake exactly as she likes it, and I was a happy mom seeing her happiness and joy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you loved seeing my daughter's blueberry birthday cake. Please like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, please do hit subscribe for me, and please be safe and see you very soon. Until then, bye bye and take care.